Hello and welcome back to my artificial intelligence tutorial channel. Today, we will embark on an exciting journey to create an anime animation video using completely free AI tools. This tutorial will be divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we will delve into the process of generating a video script using ChatGPT and Google Bard AI. In part 2, we will explore how to create an audio file using a free text-to-speech AI. Finally, in the last part, we will bring everything together and create the animation, resulting in a captivating anime video. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Part 1. Creating the video script using AI. There are several AI tools we can utilize for this task, such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this tutorial, we will focus on ChatGPT and Bard AI. To generate our video script, all you need to do is describe the type of video you want, its topic, target age group, desired word count, or any other specific details you'd like to include. By leveraging the power of AI, we can effortlessly generate an engaging script for our anime animation video. To explore the possibilities further, let's try using the same prompt with Google Bard AI. By selecting the best script that aligns with our requirements, we can ensure a script that perfectly matches our needs. You can find all the relevant links for this tutorial in the video description for your convenience. Now that we have our video script ready, let's proceed to part 2, creating audio using AI. If you prefer not to use your own voice for the narration, don't worry. We have access to a fantastic free text-to-speech AI. To utilize this tool, you'll need to register using your email or Gmail account. Once the registration process is complete, head over to your AI tools dashboard and navigate to the AI text dubbing menu. Simply paste the script generated in part 1, select the desired character tone, and click the audition button to preview your voice selection. Once you're satisfied, hit the confirm button and download your AI generated voiceover. Exciting, isn't it? We are one step closer to creating our anime animation video. In the final part, part 3, we will explore how to bring our animation to life using Adobe. To begin, go to the Animation for YouTube page, where we'll find a fantastic free animation tool at our disposal. However, keep in mind that you will need an Adobe account to proceed. Once you're set up, click on the Make Animations for YouTube button to get started. From there, you can choose an anime girl character as our protagonist and select a background. If you prefer, you can even upload your own image or background. Additionally, we'll need to determine the target platform and video orientation for optimal viewing experience. Now, let's address the audio component. You have 2 options: either record your own voice directly, make sure to grant Adobe website access to your microphone, or use the AI-generated voice from part 2. If you opt for the latter, simply click Choose an audio file to upload your AI-generated voiceover. Once Adobe finishes processing our animation video, we can click the download button to obtain our stunning anime video creation. And there you have it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about comets. What are they, where do they come from, and why are they so important? A comet is a small, icy object that orbits the sun. When a comet gets close to the sun, the heat from the sun causes the ice to vaporize, creating a long, glowing tail. The tail can be millions of miles long, and it's made up of dust, gas, and other materials.
Thank you for joining this AI animation tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Until next time, goodbye.